Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your website to feel on brand, modern and consistent, changing colors is one of the biggest visual upgrades you can make in GoDaddy Website Builder in 2026. The key is understanding how global color palette works and why GoDaddy limits per section chaos. So most frustration comes from trying to recolor each block manually. We will do it the right way and the supported way. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to change colors in GoDaddy Websites Builder 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open your website's editor. So log into GoDaddy, go to website, select your website and click edit website. So after clicking this, you will have a page like this. Okay, so all color changes are handled globally from here. So inside the editor, click theme or design. So you have to upgrade your account to have these access to these choices and access them. So select colors or color palettes. Okay, you will now see primary color, accent colors, background colors, text contrast, previews. So these colors affects buttons, links, sections, and highlight site wide. So you have two options. So we will talk about the recommended one. Use GoDaddy Preset palettes. Okay, so professionally balanced, good contrast automatically, safe for accessibility. Just click to preview it live. Okay, so here is how GoDaddy uses colors. So primary color, buttons, links, CTAs, accents, color, highlights, icons, separators. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.